disturbance that rolls in from the southern plains. In fact, it's the upper pattern that we have to monitor from time to time, not just when it comes to the arrival of cold air, but also systems that can really activate strong storms and severe weather. And in this case, we have a mild setup right now that's going to also help to feed us a little more warmth in the next couple days with a building high to the south. But our ground level winds coming in from the south, which means the moisture will be abundant and the wind flow will be active and swift across the southeast, especially once we add this low pressure system. So that's going to help to trigger the initial round of heavier rain for the interior sections of the deep south, which could add up to multiple inches, and then a little more activity with that low, which will drive up the thunderstorm risk, and that does go for our region as well. So let's visualize it, look at the data and the forecast in focus. We tend to have that south wind pattern continuing. You may have felt a little breeze today. That continues tomorrow. And a good deal of cloudiness with limited sunshine as a result. The shower activity not likely to be heavy or widespread, but you can have some passing come and go type of light sprinkles and showers. Then into Wednesday, we start to get the effects of that low coming in, and that will start to form a rather decent shield of rain, which will ride right over the same areas of southern Georgia with occasionally heavier downpours into the afternoon. That can cause the add up of rain activity to levels around 2 to 4 inches, and even a couple of isolated thunderstorms mixed in with that as well through Wednesday. The broader perspective, also extending it into Thursday, tends to show how that rain tends to just trail right over the same areas, which causes a lot of accumulation, and overall expectations around 1 inch or so near the state line between now and the end of Thursday, maybe upwards of 2 to 4 inches within some regions from Valdosta, US 84 to the north. So we can have some flooding irritation going on since we've already had some heavy rain over the last couple weeks in that very same zone. And then once the cold front starts to push in, that will trigger a line of scattered thunderstorms that can be strong. Gustier winds, the main potential, but it is going to be an area-wide risk that centers on mostly late Wednesday and into Thursday. By the afternoon on Thursday, probably reaching the Atlantic zone. So that's where we have to keep our eyes and ears open and that first alert up for those thunderstorms, which can contain some gustier winds and perhaps even an outside chance for a tornado. We have a couple more days to fine-tune the details, and we'll certainly bring